So this is the Beautylish box. I don't know much about it. My mom ordered it, but they're lucky bags that are Japanese New Year custom that inspire us to create our own. So each of these lucky bags, there's basically makeup in, I think beauty care, skincare, all of that stuff. So this is, my mom actually got this, but I decided to, you know, take a sneak peek because I'm very interested in what's in this little lucky bag. Hey guys, what's up? It's Sunday. I haven't vlogged again. I haven't vlogged yesterday. I'm so sorry. But I have a pretty busy weekend and also a kind of shitty weekend also because just some problems with my car, meaning I have to take it to the mechanic tomorrow, meaning I have work tomorrow morning, meaning I need a rental tomorrow. I have a lot of stuff to do today. I have to edit a bunch of stuff, but I also really want to rearrange my room because I need a change in my room. I just feel like it'll almost make me focus better, and I do really need to clean my room, so I think I'm gonna do some cleaning slash rearranging, right? Let's see. So I rearranged my room. I don't know if I like it or not. It's different. Definitely has some getting used to, but I'll show you guys. Basically, you walk in and my little vanity shit is there. My bed, I don't know what's going on there, but my little desk. It's okay for now, so I guess that's all that really matters, but I need to edit this vlog right now and have it up for tomorrow since I do have a lot of stuff to do still. So a while later, not really a while later, but like an hour later, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I know the last couple Mondays that I've been posting vlogs, my vlogs have been a little shitty just because I have been busy on the weekend and I can't really provide you guys the proper content that I want to provide. Next week, I will be posting a vlog that hopefully will be a little better. I gotta finish editing a video. I have to edit this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed this random shitty vlog in a sense, but I'll see you guys next week. Peace.